Namaskar and welcome you all to Odisha Chhattu Chasa channel. Today we will see how you can do paddy straw mushroom cultivation throughout the winter season. The full process you will see here. Please stay tuned till the end of this video to get a complete information about how you can do paddy straw mushroom cultivation in winter. First of all, you require UV polythene for the paddy straw mushroom cultivation. UV polythene merit is it hold the temperature of your farm for a longer period of time, which enhance the production of your mycelium, pinheads and mushroom. So UV polythene is a must in a farm in winter if you want to do paddy straw mushroom cultivation. It will be installed along with the green net, the shade net, so that the optimum level of the required amount of temperature can be maintained inside your farm, that is 30 to 35, which is required for both mycelium grow, and 28 to 32, that is required for your pinhead. So it comes with 70 feet by 22 feet the size of the UV polythene and cost around 7,000 rupees, which is available in your Krishi Vigyan Kendra near you. That is one coil, 7,000 rupees. So UV polythene is a must along with the shade net or green net that is to be installed inside your farm, also in the ceiling. So please remember, in a ceiling and the side of your farm, 90% shade net, green net you have to procure. That is comes in 160 feet by 10 feet. The size is 160 feet by 10 feet and cost around 3,500 one coil. 3,500 one coil. You can get it from the market or online, that is shade net or green net. 90% you have to purchase along with the UV polythene which to be installed inside your farm. That is the two main factor, heat that is generating the heat inside your farm. So that is a must. Along with that, the third required factor is the halogen bulb, halogen light. That is also very necessary to get the optimum level of temperature inside your farm. That is 1000 watt halogen you have to install in your farm. That is 1 or 2 is sufficient. You can see each corner you can put it or install in each corner. 4 also you can put, but you have to check the temperature. After that, then you can decide you can install more, or you can reduce the amount to 3 or 2. So first of all UV polythene, second is your green net or shade net, that is 90%, third is your halogen 1000 watt light. So this farm what you are seeing right now, the small portion is a big farm, so we have cordon off small portion of the farm to get it ready for the winter mushroom cultivation. So this area cordon off so that we can cultivate mushroom throughout the winter season to get more production, more mycelium, more pinheads, and you can maintain the temperature around 30 to 35 degree Celsius throughout the day and throughout the night also for the perfect and optimum level of production paddy straw mushroom in winter season. Here you can see the UV polythene is installed along with the green net or shade net. You can see. So the shade net hold the temperature throughout the day, which is required for the mycelium to grow, which is required the pinhead to grow. So it comes with a coil that you can procure from near Krishi Vigyan Kendra. That is the best place to buy, and they will guide you how you can install it, which company you can procure. That also they can guide you very well. So you need to approach your Krishi Vigyan Kendra near you to get these materials, which is good in quality. And halogen also you can install 1000 watt, which is also a heat generating factor if you want to cultivate throughout the winter, because in winter the paddy straw mushroom rates also very high, because it's rarely available in the market, and double polythene you have to put on your bed That is the fourth factor of heat generation, that is double polythene you have to put on the bed to get the optimum level of temperature in your bed. And basin and horse gram you have to feed the mycelium while placing the spawn or seed. You have to add horse gram and more of basin plus horse gram you have to feed the mycelium to get another heat generation factor is basin, which generate the heat, and along with horse gram, that is also very much required. To the small portion you can see the part of the big farm has been cut off by green net and the UV polythene. It is ready for the throughout the winter we can produce maximum level of mushroom in winter season. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel, and thank you again for watching this video. Thank you.